It's official. iOS 26 is here, and Apple has flipped the script. With a bold new visual style called Liquid Glass and some serious AI upgrades, this could be the biggest iOS leap since iOS 7. Whether you're using the iPhone 15 Pro Max or thinking of upgrading to the next model, iOS 26 is packed with features that are turning heads, and we've got the full breakdown right here on Digital Dive. So what exactly is Liquid Glass? It's Apple's new design language that takes the flat, minimal aesthetic and adds depth, motion, and a fluid-like shine to everything. Your icons now react subtly to light and motion, making them feel almost alive. The Control Center and Notification Center have been completely redesigned. Think glass-like translucency, richer animations, and new custom widgets that feel more dynamic and more responsive than ever. But this update isn't just about looks, it's about intelligence. Apple has rolled out a brand new AI assistant system called Apple Intelligence. It's essentially Siri leveled up with on-device large language models. You can now ask your phone to summarize your emails, rewrite messages, and even create custom smart replies on the fly. And yes, it all works securely on your device. Privacy still comes first. The new AI tools extend beyond Siri too. In the Notes app, you can now generate summaries of long notes or convert them into lists. In Photos, there's now AI-powered background editing, object removal, and even smart sorting based on facial expressions and scene detection. It's kind of like having Adobe Lightroom and ChatGPT built directly into your iPhone, but with that signature Apple simplicity. One of the most talked about updates is the revamped Messages app. You can now schedule messages, use AI to rewrite tones, whether casual, formal, or funny, and generate emoji reactions with AI-generated art based on your conversations. And yes, Blue Bubble users are finally getting support for RCS, meaning better image quality, read receipts, and improved communication between iPhone and Android users. Let's talk about customization. iOS 26 finally allows you to place app icons and widgets anywhere on your home screen, no more locked grid. Lock screen widgets are now interactive, and there's a new smart stack that automatically changes throughout the day based on your behavior. Apple is also adding new Focus Plus modes, letting you control not just notifications, but the actual appearance of your phone depending on your activity, work, chill, fitness, or even sleep. On the performance side, iOS 26 is surprisingly light. Even devices as old as the iPhone 12 will be supported. Apple has done some serious optimization with the new A18 and A19 chips in mind, but older phones are still getting the smoother animations, faster app launch times, and improved battery usage that iOS 26 promises. For developers, Apple has introduced new APIs for integrating third-party apps with Apple Intelligence, opening the door to more personalized and smarter apps, especially in productivity, health, and creative tools. So, is iOS 26 worth the hype? Absolutely. Apple took some big risks this year, blending aesthetics, AI, and performance in a way that feels genuinely new, not just another yearly refresh. It's clear they're responding to pressure from Android's AI tools and Vision OS innovation, and they've come to play. If you're wondering whether to update or wait, the public beta launches next month, and the full release is coming this fall. But based on what we've seen so far, iOS 26 is a must-have. Let us know in the comments, what feature are you most excited about? And would you use Apple's new AI tools every day? If this helped you stay ahead of the curve, hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Dive. We're just getting started with iOS 26 and Apple's next wave of innovation.